Hello friends, welcome to the lecture series on conceptualizing IoT platform, that is Arduino. In this lecture series, we are going to cover knowledge of microprocessor and microcontroller, knowledge of IoT development boards, knowledge of IoT architecture, building blocks and use cases, able to work with C and embedded C programming, knowledge of various Arduino boards, and able to interface various sensors and actuators on different IoT boards for IoT applications. Starting with microcontroller. Microcontroller is a small computer on a single integrated circuit that is designed to control specific tasks with electronic system. So basically microcontroller is a small chip which is considered as a small computer integrated on single IC. The task of microcontroller is it is a to control specific task with electronic system. So basically microcontrollers are used with electronic system to control any specific task. Microcontrollers generally contains not only a processing unit but a small amount of memory, that is ROM, RAM, etc. A few IO ports for connecting different peripherals, a timer, etc. So microcontroller can be think as mini computer. These microcontrollers can be called as system on chip, built typically for embedded system. The application of microcontroller is it is basically used in embedded system, which is again called as system on chip. Examples of microcontroller are ARM Cortex M series, Intel 8051, etc. These are the most popular and most commonly used microcontrollers. Microcontrollers can be used in home appliances such as washing machine, microwave oven, etc. Consumer electronic products such as gaming system, digital cameras, and audio players, etc. Types of microcontroller. Basically, there are three types. First one is Renesas microcontroller. This is the pin diagram of that microcontroller which has 20 pins. Second one is Atmel AVR microcontroller. It has 28 pins and the diagram shows its pin diagram. Third one is PIC microcontroller, which has 40 pins and the pin diagram is shown below. Next is microprocessors. Microprocessors are programmable device that takes in input, performs some arithmetic and logical operations over it and produces the desired output. So the task of microprocessor is to take some kind of input to perform various operations like arithmetic operations or logical operations over those inputs, and it will going to generate some output based on input and various types of operations. Microprocessors contains only a processing unit which is quite powerful in terms of computing. So it has powerful processing unit which will going to process all the operations needed for the computer system. To make use microprocessor, one needs extra hardware chips such as memory, peripheral board, system bus, etc. Unlike your microcontroller, microprocessor do not have some built-in hardware. It requires additional hardware to be connected with microprocessor to work with as a computer system. Like we need to attach RAM, peripheral board, system bus, various ports are available for these microprocessors. Examples of microprocessor are ARM Cortex A series, Intel Pentium series, etc. These are the popularly used microprocessors. These microprocessors can be used in desktop computers, laptops, etc. Processing unit, which is called as chip, is quite powerful and complex and is typically used for general purpose computing. Microprocessor is nothing but it is one type of your chip which is worked as a processing unit, which is quite powerful and it is a complex component of your computer system, which is typically used for general purpose computing. There are three types of microprocessors. First one is RISC processor, stands for Reduced Instruction Set Computer. Its architecture is like this. It has hardware control unit, data path, data cache, instruction cache, and main memory. Second one is CISC processor, stands for Complex Instruction Set Computer. Its architecture is like this. It has control unit, instruction and data path, cache memory, microprogram control memory, and main memory. Third one is special processor, which are again classified as coprocessor, input output processor, transputer, that is transistor computer, digital signal processor, etc. So first one is coprocessor. There are various math coprocessors manufactured by Intel, that is 8087, which is used with 8086, 80287, which is used with 80286, 80387, which is used with 80386. And these are input output processors that are DMA controller, keyboard mouse controller, graphic display controller, SCSI port controller, etc. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video for further part of this lecture series. Thank you.